All right, let's get into those off-ramps, starting with the body. These are things you can do in the middle of a traffic jam, a dinnertime meltdown.
Anywhere.
Hack number 1 is probably the quickest physiological interrupt there is. The 4-7-8 breathing technique. 60 seconds to short-circuit a cortisol spike.
The technique is super straightforward. You inhale for 4 seconds, you hold your breath for 7, and then you exhale forcefully for 8 seconds. You can make a little whoosh sound, and you just repeat that 4 times.
So the key there, I'm guessing, is that long exhale. It's longer than the inhale and the hold combined.
That's precisely it.
Yeah.
That extended exhale is the mechanical key. It stimulates the vagus nerve, sending a direct signal to your brain that the crisis is over. It triggers that rest and digest response.
And what does the data say?
The data is really compelling. Research shows prefrontal cortex activity bounces back by 22% within 15 to 60 seconds.
So you start thinking rationally again almost instantly.
Almost instantly. And you don't even have to be perfect. The simple act of shifting your attention from the chaos to your breath, even if you mess up the counts, it starts the process.
It's like pulling the emergency brake on your stress cycle.
Exactly.
Okay, next up is a hack that uses sound and vibration. Humming.
I love this one because you can do it anywhere.
It's stealthy.
Very. The method is simple. Hum a familiar tune, a nursery rhyme, or just a long sound. But you have to focus on the vibration in your chest and throat, just for about 5 minutes.
And what's the science behind that? How does humming actually calm you down?
It's just like the long exhale.
Yeah.
The humming mechanically stimulates the vagus nerve directly through the vibration of your vocal cords. Clinical trials on this showed a 35% increase in something called vagal tone after just 5 days of practice.
Vagal tone. That's like the fitness level of your nervous system, how fast you can bounce back.
You got it. Higher vagal tone means you recover faster. That 35% increase means you get a 41% faster stress recovery after a trigger.